Hi, welcome to my kitchen and to my new series for packed lunches, for picnic ideas, whether it's for the kids or for grown-ups, anyone in your family. These are delicious pepper wraps and you can make them in two ways. You can either make them with chicken or you can make them vegetarian with either paneer or halloumi. And I promise you, your kids will ask for this again and again. And I love to have it for my lunch as well. Super easy, nothing complicated. Hot pan, hot oil, just a tablespoon of sunflower oil I'm using here. And to this I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now let them sizzle and I'm going to throw in finely chopped, if you can, otherwise in my language roughly chopped onion to this, and cook it on medium heat for around 10 minutes. You want them beautifully golden. Now we're going to add a tomato, again chopped up, and then cook it for 5 minutes until it's broken down and softened nicely. Now goes in a little bit of cumin powder, a bit of ketchup. Yes, ketchup, obviously you can skip it, but it just adds to the whole dish. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Now I'm throwing in some red pepper and some yellow pepper, just long, thinly sliced. And I'm going to cover and cook this for maybe 3 to 4 minutes. I want the crunch, but I also want it slightly cooked. So somewhere in between, I want them cooked but still crunchy. So 3-4 minutes covered is perfect. Look at that! Now this is the mixture which goes into your wrap. Now to this you can add chicken. So I have got 1 chicken breast and just put a cling film on top, and then with a rolling pin just flatten it out. And just doing that, you've got an even thin chicken breast, and I'm going to cook it in a tablespoon of oil for roughly 8 minutes to 10 minutes until it's totally done. And halfway through, just turn it over and you can see it's beautifully done. Look at the color on that. So I'm just thinly slicing it. All of this chicken goes into a mix. I'm just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and then a really good mix. This is absolutely stunning. Now if you want to make this vegetarian, you can just fry some paneer or some halloumi, and then that's your vegetarian wrap. And now it's all about assembling the wrap. So I've got my wrap, just a tiny spread of butter. You can skip that if you want. And here goes all the lovely pepper, chicken. And now we're gonna roll this up. There we go. And then slice it up. And here we are. And if you want a little bit of salad in it, you can add some crunchy salad leaves. Just a bit of green can do no harm. And here it is, the chicken pepper wrap. And like I said, you can make it vegetarian by frying some paneer or some halloumi. And just when I added the cooked chicken, you do exactly the same. You add the cooked paneer or halloumi to the pepper mix. And you can, like I said, if you want salad or like I've added spinach leaves, it just adds a bit more bite to it and more nutrition. It's so easy. This is such a simple recipe. You can make the mix and leave it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and make fresh wraps when you are taking a packed lunch or a picnic. And yeah, you have no excuses. These taste so much better than any shop bought wraps, and you will love it. So please do give this a go, subscribe. See you next week with another new recipe.